Hello dear friends, welcome to my channels. Today's discussions is Java programming. So friends, this topic is very important because you have already known that I have also created a video based on C program where I mention method or function. Okay, so Java is same, but you have to know why do we use function. Okay, function, you can say that we have. Okay, so it is also used and defined methods. Okay, defined methods. So let me discuss some introductions for your better understandings. You have learned writing Java programming by using defined type of statements. Okay, you are also familiar with dimensional arrays where optimum utilizations of memory space is done with the help of variables having same name. Now we are going to focus on the logical simplification of the process so that a program can be developed by using minimum number of statements. Let us understand the concept with the help of real world examples. Okay, one example is mobile phone were available with single sim only earlier. Okay, at that time people used to carry two phones so that if one sim would not respond properly, then communications could be established with the help of other mobile. In fact, it was difficult to carry two phones as well as was also not cost effective. Nowadays, the mobile companies have started manufacturing mobiles with dual SIM slot facilities. You can now insert two different SIMs in a single mobile. Similarly, a number of blocks set a statements written for some operation can be reduced to a single block. Okay, while writing a program in Java. Okay, so so we use module. Okay, function module method method we use module method or function. Okay, for this issue, what is the function? Function is a program module used at different instances in a program to perform a specific task is known as method or a function. Same type of example, I have already give one example for, like a mobile function is also work like a dual sim when we use dual sim. Similarly, module or function method of function also used this type that specific task. Okay, different instances in program to perform a specific task. Okay, this is very important part. Instances in a program to perform a specific task is known as method of function, a program module used. Okay, let me discuss advantage of methods. A method is advantageous in the following ways: it reuses the segment of operations as when necessary by simply using the method name. It divides a complex computational task into a collection of smaller methods so that problem solving becomes easier and object specific and modular. A program a program that uses a method occupies less memory. Okay, less memory space, execute faster defining method. Okay, defining method is very simple. Defining method, it is interesting to know that defining a method has no link with writing the definition of a method. In fact, defining a method refers to as a creating a complete structure of a method along with the logical compositional block. Okay, the general form of defining a method is shown: access specifier, return type. Okay, you have to understand access specifier, return type, and method name, and parameter list. Okay, and after that we start statement, return value, and public. Okay, return value. Now let's discuss header. Okay, let's discuss header. What is the header? Okay, header in the first line, which contains the access specifier, return type, method name, and a list of parameter. Method header is also referred to as a method prototype or function prototype with reference to the example shown above. The method header is shown. Okay, what is the public? Public is the access specifier. Okay, you see public is access specifier. Okay, and next int is return type. Okay, I have already written int is return type, and add is the method name. I have already told, this is the way, this is the method name, and m and n both are parameter list. This is the procedure of the header files. How to write header files? This is the public int add int m n. Okay, the compiler checks the compatibility of the values passed to the method and it's receiving parameters. Okay, so now I want to see that the different meaning. Okay, method or function signature. Okay, in general, signature relates to the identification of a person. Similarly, method and signature is identification of a method. It signifies a method that is invoked for a specific operations. A method signature is written by using the method name along with parameter to be passed to the method. So example is add. So add a comma b. Suppose this is the example of signature. Okay, signature, this is the signature means method function signatures. Okay, now I discuss access specifiers. Access specifier deal with the scope of usage of function. It can either be public, protected, private type. When function of a class is specified as private, a member of only that class can access the function. A public function can be accessed by any source, even external class function. The protected specifier is mainly concerned with the inherited class type. Okay, so access specifier I have already discussed, that is the public. Okay, so I am telling you what is access specifier. Now I moved another process, that is the return type. Okay, return type, it is data type used before the method name. Okay, before the method name, used before the method name. This is the return type. I have already, you see, the before the method name, return type, and return type is int. Okay, int, float, anything. Okay, method name, in method header it indicates the type of the outcome outcome of a method to be returned to a caller. In case of method does not return any value, its return type is mentioned as void. That represents a non-returnable method. When a function is defined with return type, the body of the function must include return statement. Okay, we must include return statement. Means return type when we used, then we must used return statement. Okay, this is the very important for creating programming. Using return type. Okay, so next is the function name. Okay, function name, each method includes a name with which it is identified uh, includes it is identified. The function name should preferably be related to the process being carried out in the function. You are performing the sum of two sum of two or more than two numbers. The function name in case can be sum or add. Okay, this is the function name. You see, this is the function name, add int m. Okay, another way you can write function name I can write method name or function name, that sum int a. It can be written this way, sum int a int b. Okay, sum int a, sum int b. So it is the int is the return type. Okay, return type, method name. And now I discuss parameter list. It is a list of variables with their respective data types. They receive the value passed during method call for internal computation. Any empty parameter list indicates that the method does not receive any value during its call. However, parameter list of function can have a general form: function name, type value 1, type value 2, okay, type value n. Okay, you can write this way: function name parameter, that function name first is function name, next function name, next is type variable 2, variable 1, variable 1, type variable 2, type variable 2, up to etc. Okay, type variable n up to. So method block is the function body contains a set of statements. Okay, function body contains a set of statements which are to be executed. These statements called method block. Okay, these statements written under method header are enclosed within a pair of curly braces. Okay, pair of curly braces ended with pair of curly braces. Okay, this is the pair of curly braces. This is the method block. Okay, enclosed within a pair of curly braces is known as method block or body of the method. Okay, I hope it is clear. Okay, now I will give one example example that also you see that I use return as I use this int statement, that's why I use return. Now I give one example. This is the example. Okay, so this example is very important. I will discuss step by step. So friends, let's discuss a program that is to find the sum of two new numbers by using method. Okay, import Java IOStream. Okay, this process I have already discussed in my channel. Please check in my video that IO have a buffer reader class. Okay, so with reference in the above illustration, the upper block of the program is the method which defines to find the sum two numbers. Okay, okay. So is method which defines to find the sum of two numbers, and the lower block is called caller program. The lower block is caller program. The lower block accepts two integer numbers. Okay, lower block accept two integers number a and b whose sum is obtained. These number are passed to the method by using the statement. The value of a and b get copied into the parameter m and n. Okay, where is m and n? uh, okay, here I have some error. Okay, I just corrected this topic. Okay, yeah, public class sum. Okay, in here I have to write public public int add int m int n. Okay, okay. So friends, you will see that I add a comma b. This add a comma b is the calling. Okay, now you have to understand sum, this portion sum of new, this is the creating object of class sum. Okay, this is creating object class sum. Okay, and this is calling of method. Calling of method add, or you can say it is invoking method add. Okay, A is the M, A is M, E is N. Okay, this is the, you have to remember. Okay, next friends, next is that return S. Okay, return S, this is the going on this. Return S is going on P. Okay, there is a calling method add, and this is my total curly brace. Okay, this is the total start. Okay, and so the value A and B get copied into the parameter M and N. You will see that I have marked this. Okay, M and N and respectively. In the method header, in the method block, the values of added together, the sum thus obtained in S is returned to the caller program. Okay, S is the caller program. Caller program. S is the caller program. S is the caller program. The sum that thus the obtained in S is returned the caller program to be stored in variable P. Okay, caller program P stored. Okay, return to the caller program to be stored in the variable P in the main program. Okay, hence variable P receives returned value the sum of two integer numbers, which is further displayed as the output. Okay, so I hope you can understand my total work, and now you will check one practical exam. This is the palindromic number. So friends, this is the one example of the programming, that is the reverse. Okay, int reverse int n. So program is that write a program to accept a number and check whether the number is palindrome or not by using the method name reverse int n. Okay, the method returns the reversed number to the main program that checks the palindrome number. Okay, so friends, you have to know what is the meaning of palindrome number. Yeah, so palindrome palindrome number is also known as numeral palindrome or numeric palindrome. It is a number that remains the same when its digits are reversed. Okay, suppose you can say 121. Okay, this is one kind of palindrome number. Means a palindrome number, also known as numeral palindrome or numeric palindrome, is a number such as 16461 that remains the same when its digits are reversed. In other words, it has reflectional symmetry across a vertical axis. The term palindrome is derived from the term palindromic is derived from palindrome, which refers to a word. So palindromic number is 121, 111, 131. This is the palindromic number. Now let's discuss this program, that import java.util dot star public class palin int reverse int n int d r equals to 0 and d equals to n percentile 10 and r equals to r star plus r star 10 plus d, and n equals to n divided by 10 while n factorial is equal to 0, and return r, and public static void main string args scanner in and new scanner system dot in, and int k comma a comma c palin of is equal to new palin and system out print ln enter your number. Okay, this is the way you can get palindrome. Okay, palindrome number and system out print ln the of dot reverse a. Okay, now it is the, I will, you will see that I create everything. Now I will check my program. Okay, so run the program. I just try to run the program, enter your number. Suppose it is 12412, so return, it is the palindrome. Okay, no, it is not palindrome because it is not reflectional symmetry. Suppose again I run, okay, the program, and now I give 1 2 4, okay, 2 1. Now again return. This is the palindrome. So I hope you can understand this example, and this is the example of the reverse.